You got two 10 millimeters here, 10 millimeter here. You got T30s, one right here, which is a little challenge to get to. And then once you take off this right here, you have another T30 right there. Make sure you take off that clip. 10 millimeter here, and then a 10 millimeter here to take this fender off. Here's the new one we're reinstalling. This whole headlight housing is completely broken. So let's just kind of set that off to the side. So a dent right here. Popping this guy back on, I put it on those two tabs, this one, and let's see if it'll focus, that one right down there. And then kind of pried it over this one. Still there. This guy has got to be right up here. So, was it even there? I don't even know. There. This guy's all bent, so we'll see how this turns out. And then let's see. That's gonna have to get twisted and put into place there. Oh, well, that's why. It was bent already. Damn, this new one was already bent. I was able to get it with the gun there. And there. I think this bend right here is affecting the alignment of that and this one right there. So I'm gonna try to bend this guy out a little bit, see if it'll push. If I bend this guy out a little bit, I might be able to push that back down a little. And there it is.